Hello everyone and welcome to another vlog. In this vlog, I'll be unboxing the Keychron K6 wireless mechanical keyboard with RGB backlight and brown Gateron switches. I got this keyboard from Softbox Solutions PH. I'll put the link to their Facebook page in the description box below. I only got this for 3,900 pesos plus 79 pesos for the grab fee. I thought about getting a mechanical keyboard kasi number 1, pangit yung butterfly keyboard ng MacBook Air 2019. Parang ang bilis ata niyang masisira.
Ang galing mo pala dyan Hindi ko alam
And number 2, I recently decided na ipatong sa bookstand yung laptop ko para ma-elevate yung screen ko. Since we'll be working from home for the next few months or years, sana hindi naman years. Naisip ko na gawing ergonomic yung desk setup ko para hindi ako magkaroon ng chronic neck pain. So by the way, yan yung ginamit kong spiel sa nanay ko nung sinabi ko sa kanya na gusto kong magpabili ng mechanical keyboard.
Eh, parinig ka ng parinig
Thank you and shout out nga pala sa nanay ko for sponsoring this keyboard kasi wala pa rin akong pera hanggang ngayon kasi nag-aaral pa ako. So enough kwento, mag-unbox na tayo. So the item is sealed in a box and inside the box mayroong protective foam. Then you'll find a quick guide on how to set the keyboard up, which you can also find and download on their website in case you lose it or you're the type na nagtatapon ng mga papeles. Tapos mayroong Type-C cable for those na gusto ng wired keyboard. This also serves as the charging cable. Next, you'll find the extra set of keycaps. Yung for Windows na keycaps kasi default na nakakabit yung for the Mac. You'll also find a gray escape keycap kasi default na nakakabit yung orange. And an orange light effect keycap kasi default na nakakabit yung gray. So next, you'll find the keyboard that's wrapped sa blanket niya, Naka-wrap lang siya sa plastic. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa plastic na to. Pero mukha siyang cool. Tapos under the keyboard, you can find the manual. And itong parang tongs na pangtanggal ng keycaps. When you take a look at the side of the keyboard, you'll find the Type-C port, the Windows to Mac toggle switch, and the Bluetooth and off switch. Dito sa K6, nawala yung row ng multimedia keys and function keys. But you can still use these keys by pressing function 1 plus the corresponding keys for the multimedia keys and function 2 plus the corresponding keys for the function keys. Disclaimer nga pala, I'm not a keyboard expert, just a keyboard enthusiast. So madali lang naman siya i-set up, especially for newbies like me. Switch nyo lang to Bluetooth mode dun sa gilid, and kung ano yung laptop nyo, iset nyo din. Turn on the Bluetooth settings sa laptop nyo and press function 1 and Q for 4 seconds to set up pairing. Medyo malayo pala to. Buti lang nagpiano ako ng bata ako. So ayan, connect nyo lang siya and type away. So let's do a type test. Tapos check din natin yung light effects. So that's it for this review. If you have any questions, wag akong tanungin nyo kasi wala akong masyadong alam sa keyboard. Thank you, Mom. Next naman ay laptop stand. Char.